Have you ever had a small moment? Maybe someone ignored your message or spoke with a sharp tone, and suddenly your whole body reacted? Your chest tightened, your heart raced, and your mind began to spin. In that instant, it feels like they caused it. But what if what you are really feeling didn't start with them at all? What if it's an old wound, one that's simply asking to be seen? This is what I call the mirror release. It's a way to turn moments of reaction into moments of healing. Welcome to the inner temple. This is your space to slow down, to feel, and to come home to yourself. The mirror release is a 5-step tool that you can use whenever you notice yourself emotionally reacting, whether it's anger, hurt, defensiveness, or fear. It's not about fixing the other person. It's about recognizing that every reaction is a reflection of something that's inside us that's ready to be released. Let's say you message a friend and they don't reply. Days go by and the silence starts to sting. You feel unimportant, dismissed, forgotten. But if we pause long enough to look closer, we might notice that this pain feels familiar. Maybe as a child you often felt unseen, unheard, or not chosen. Maybe, without realizing it, you learn to equate silence with rejection. And so, when a friend doesn't answer your message today, that buried emotion rises up again. Not because they created it, but because it's still living inside you, waiting for your love. This is where the mirror release begins. Step 1. Recognize. Recognize this is my reaction. So pause, breathe, simply notice what's happening in your body, the tension, the emotion, the story forming in your mind. Then remind yourself gently, this feeling is happening inside me. That awareness alone is powerful. You've already stepped out of the automatic reaction and into the conscious presence. You are no longer lost in the story. You are watching it. Step 2. Identify. What am I really feeling and where have I felt this before? So ask yourself, what emotion is really here? Maybe it's sadness, rejection, fear of being forgotten, or anger at not being valued. Now, go a little deeper. When have I felt this before? You might not get a clear memory, sometimes it's just a sense, but you begin to realise that what's being triggered now is an echo of the past, a wound that never had the space to be felt. There's nothing wrong with you feeling this. In fact, this is your healing moment, the universe showing you that what's been quietly asking for release. Step 3. Release the other person from the story. Now whisper within yourself, I release you from my story. Your friend didn't create this pain, they revealed it. They are a mirror, reflecting the part of you that still believes, I am not enough, or I don't matter. Let them go. You don't have to fix them, explain to them, or defend yourself. You're turning your focus back to where true healing happens, within you. Step 4. Own what's yours. Place your hand on your heart. Take a deep, kind breath. Say to yourself, this emotion is mine. It's been living in me for a long time, and that's okay. Owning it doesn't mean blaming yourself. It means reclaiming your power to heal. Because until we take responsibility for what we feel, we stay trapped in the illusion that others control our peace. When we own it, we hold it with compassion, as if comforting a younger version of ourselves who once felt this way. Step 5. Surrender it to the universe. Now imagine gently lifting this emotion, the weight, the story, the energy, into your open palms. Close your eyes and take a slow exhale. I release this now. I give it back to the universe, and I trust that what's mine will be healed and transformed. Visualize it dissolving into light, the universe receiving it, holding it, and returning you to peace. This isn't about forcing yourself to get over it. It's about letting life do what it always does, transform pain back into presence. The mirror release is not about pretending you're not hurt. It's about seeing clearly why you're hurt and giving that pain a way to move through you instead of staying buried inside. Every reaction is an invitation. Every trigger is a message. And every emotion, no matter how uncomfortable, is trying to lead you back to love. So the next time you feel that familiar rise inside, pause, breathe, look into the mirror life is showing you, and remember, nothing you feel is new, it's simply ready to be healed. If this practice spoke to you, take a few quiet minutes after this video to try it yourself. Maybe recall a recent moment when you felt hurt or reactive. Go through the 5 steps slowly and kindly. You don't need to fix anything. You just need to see it, feel it, and release it back to the universe. Thank you for being here and for having the courage to meet yourself with honesty and love. This is the real work of awakening, and every time you do it, you return a little closer to peace.